Hi friends, good morning to you all, and I hope you all had a great experience today. Simple expiry, uh, wonderful expiry in fact. Okay, let me share you what are the trades we have throughout today. Okay, see, this was the charts, right? This chart was shared quite some time back, not now, recently, not recently. Let me try and see if I can see those. Okay. Let's see if it comes. So good. Otherwise, okay. I don't think it is here so early. Anyway, um, huh. See, whenever this type of a chart is formed, you will have this big fall. Okay, this was shared. Yeah, 25, 26. This is already once it is done. And I think this is the second time. So let's see. All right. Anyway, see when this pattern is formed, it is very clear that market is planning to move down. Okay. Uh, okay. Yeah. This was shared yesterday and much before also. Anyways, this is formed in the daily time frame. Okay. Now, initial at the opening itself, we bought 25, 650, 38, and then this went, I think, to 50 or maybe. So let me show you a couple of trades, not all because of course, we traded mostly on the PA side. We were totally, okay, let me, yesterday, okay, let us see what was my opening comments. Market is flattish now. Okay, was this yesterday? Okay, this was Mondays. Okay, above 710, I was mentioning I am going to be bearish. So that was Monday. Yesterday was Tuesday, the Nifty expiry. Okay, let's see Nifty expiry. Let's have another profitable day. BSE, LTF, OBI reality. So I think opening we went for this call. Slightly bearish for now. 25,900 above 114. Target 130. Just a moment, I'll have to attend the door. So we expected 114 to 130. We also mentioned market is best, slightly bearish. This easily went to, and then we mentioned hold with SL 125. It was somewhere at 135 or 140 then, and it went to 150, 160, 170 almost. Okay, and HDFC we have mentioned to add. This is positional, okay, because 920 I have told possibly I may look to add. So somewhere there I added. And then again we took put 66 to 90, 20 or 90. Okay. So this was the trades yesterday. Okay, let me show you the final one. Somewhere at, okay, we again took, I think call also we traded. This also went well. 55 plus and heavy pressure premium killing, be careful. This is around 220. Okay. Then we gave 25 650, about 25 can double, right? And we also mentioned somewhere that short covering is possible. And if you notice 25 650 possible short covering, okay? This was somewhere at 135 itself we mentioned. 650 from 25 went to 100. That is almost 4 5 times. Okay. In fact, we added again 25 650 around 19. We set target 44. This went easily 100 plus. So what I'm trying to say is you should know how to analyze the market. Anyway, we also have a small tool. So if you see here, it says buy above. This will get active only after 10 of 10 around, yeah. So it said buy above 25,847. Okay. Actually, it did get active, but then the stop loss hit. Stop loss will be the same. Uh, 847 is the stop loss. Anyway, for me, I am aware of what is the stop loss. So sell below 758. 758. So where here the selling came. Right? From here, target was 665. I think it went to 665. Yes. What was low? 670. 661. This candle over 661. So it just has touch and go here because it's a Nifty expiry. I think it makes sense. There's a touch and go. So beautiful. And this is HDFC Bank 941 below, target 937. Okay, low was 93332. In fact, did the call long side get triggered? Yes, it would have got triggered. But and then stop loss would have hit. So generally, we also okay. I'll also mention prices. Anyways, this wouldn't have given status wouldn't have given buy. Okay. Uh, let's look at Infosys 9797. Yes, it's not triggered, but then stop loss hit because volatility is too high. 87 below, 87 below. Okay, somewhere here that got triggered. 81 was the low target. I don't think 81 was hit. Quick recovery. So yesterday, mostly in this tool, I was okay. Now 37 above. Okay, thankfully Indigo is not activated, but 504 below 04 sell, 04 sell, and huge fall in the Indigo, very huge. So Indigo is still bearish. Jubilant, I think both side got activated. 20, no, no. Only the call side got active in the last two. 27, okay, 26, 27 was the target, which is gone beyond that. Great. So this will of course work on options as well. And BTC is doing extremely well. I think on the upside it's all right. So today a lot of people are asking me why it fell. Okay, so that's the reason this video was made. Let me hide this indicator so there's so much. If you see my charts earlier itself, I had mentioned all red lines here, and this is a pattern. What is happening here? Price is going up, right? It comes down, takes rejection every time here, and the upside, correct? And big fall every time, very big fall from top, takes time to go up and a big fall. and it is getting narrowed down, right? Price is not supporting. The support range is narrowing down. Resistance is also narrowing down. So what happens? Price has to come out. Either it has to go up or down. But since price is support area is narrowing down, but resistance area is coming down, means the resistance is not higher. Resistance is getting lower. So pattern is very clear. Okay. So this is called as a pennant pattern where you can expect market to fall, which is what happened. If you fell, retrace back to the same levels to the trend line, again it fell down. So today again maybe possibly it may come up and then a big fall. Or if you see the pattern, there can be a slight recovery, hopefully. Uh, whether it looks like a, what do you say, the W pattern, slight recovery chances are there. Even it may form this type of a, what do you say, pattern. Let us see if it forms this type of a pattern. Maybe it will slowly keep moving up this way. Okay. I'm just imagining. Okay, this is not my analysis. This is my addition. I am an intraday trader. I will trade intraday. If I'm looking at positional, then I will trade it mix of futures with options. I have not done the analysis for the swing or positional. Right now, what are the stocks? As I mentioned, HDFC I'm looking for buying now or adding rather for long term. Good discounted price we're getting it. Now, people go tend to buy at 1,000 levels, breakout and all that. When it comes out, they don't. They will sell. Okay. So our strategy is slightly, maybe different. uh, if you see Infosys also, this was a nice, of course, what do you say, up move here. Now price is slowly coming down. We have to see what it wants to do. Either now, right now, price is coming down like this, correct? Now, if it starts moving up like this, then again down. But if it keeps coming like this, then upside. This is the pattern it follows. Okay, we need to understand it and trade accordingly. Let's look at Indigo. Indigo is slightly what? It is very bearish. I thought there'll be a recovery here, but it just came down. I thought it will come back and then fall down, but there's not much power for that as well. Let's remove this. So what is Indigo planning to do? Uh, slanting down here. This is a trend line here. Okay, there's a possibility that it will give a kind of a token monthly. Okay, anyways, it is falling from the highs. So it's not a major problem, but then yes, there is a weakness here. There is expected more fall in this Indigo. All right. Yeah, possibly it can take this trend line support, but then majorly I see a downside only. Okay. And let's look at Jubilant Food. This kind of formed W and went up and then again it's moving down. All right. This is a kind of a pattern being formed. So it will take some time, will come till this level and then maybe go up. But this looks like very slowish move now because it's stuck in that range now. Okay. Uh, Intraday I'm looking at a couple of stocks, but let us see. Bajaj Finance. and then let's given a down move. Hopefully that should come up. Let's look at CDSL, BSC. CDSL has become flattish. BSC slightly, possible upside. Okay. So if you have any questions in regards to any particular stock, I can help you out with that. I'm not actually what you say. Okay, this is what okay, tomorrow being in holiday, today Sensex expiry will be there. This was a gold trade. Uh, let's also pick some 50 stocks and see how they're performing. Okay, yeah, NTPC and Power Grid, I might look for F&O picks. These are my F&O picks. Okay, I'm also looking at ONGC, IOC. Uh, I'm also looking at SBIN. SBIN already I have to call yesterday logs. Today also we will look at Hindalco, also within radar for the log side. Okay. All right. Thanks so much for joining in. God bless you all. And happy Shankaranti and Bogi Pongal. Good day to you all. Happy Gopi. Uh, Happy to hear about your success. Yeah. Thanks. Thanks so much. Thank you.